bike.
That nigga was like, it was like this. And I got off the gas. He my friend. This was old.
That's why Leo don't want to race me. I'm the biggest wolf.
I shouldn't have let him win. That's the wrong guy.
I shouldn't have let him win.
That's the wrong guy. I didn't do it on purpose.
The big wolf, nigga. The big wolf, nigga. You race me when I feel like it. You race me when I feel like it now, nigga.
Alrighty, guys, we are out here Sunday Fun Day, man. Y'all see what it is, Houston style. It's a movie, man. What's up, man? How you doing?
All right.
Good seeing you, man.
Oh, you do. You do. Feel with it that you try to.
Yeah, right, huh? What's up, man? Yes, sir. This is where the action on is, man. Let's see what we got.
Right, nigga, get on the other side.
You know that CVO Road King. Are you good, man? What's up, guys? Before we start this video, man, I just wanted to let you guys know we do have brand new hats available. Yes, man, brand new everything regular hats. Not only do we got those, they match the bike. This hat matches our first place prize, which is our 2022 Ford F350 Dually and our 2022 Road Glide Special. This hat matches our second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with a built 124 on that joint. This hat matches our Reese's Pieces thing, but this isn't in the giveaway just yet. Then, of course, if we had our Daytona 131 still, man, this would match that. But Breast Cancer Awareness Month is next month, so this falls right into play, man. And all of those will give you entry into the Big 22. Yes, man, the Big 22. We got new hats. Everything is $75 today only, man. All you guys got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, let's get back to the video. They pulling this one off the trailer like it's fast, man. Like it's fast.
I just realized you is, man. Show your shit, man.
Appreciate you, man. How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Good to see you, man.
You just came from over there, didn't you? Okay, Instagram. That was me, JG.
Nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, nice to see you. For sure. Get back on the go! I wasn't even ready yet. Oh. And we're not checking on nobody. And we're just going like this when we pull up and dropping. Oh shit. Whatever, y'all wanted one now? No, that didn't count. Jackson said it didn't count. But we're not checking on us. My RPM, I was just sitting there.
That's what Jackson told him to do. Just drop them out.
See?
You didn't get the memo.
Nope.
Okay.
I went there to get him a head no.
Hey, none of that.
See, I ain't lying.
Damn.
Go down there.
That was nice.
I know sideways squeeze on Jackson ain't got no knife.
What is that, man?
Actually, sideways got the knife.
Oh, nice sideways.
Sideways and he squeezed for sure. I think I can ride it better than you. So I might put a space in between that nigga action. Let me try this bitch, man. You beat that nigga and he hit the button on you. Let me see what
Nah, don't do that. Look, you ride any one of them bikes since my nigga ain't too here. That's what it's going with. We need that. You pick every one of them bikes, nigga, for 4 quarters, nigga. You get on this one, and I'll spot you, nigga. That's how I'm gonna show you who to
I swear to God, I already fucked you up already.
Okay, get on that bike.
Then I fuck you
get
up
on that bike,
already.
I'll give you 5.
Who beat you?
Okay.
Who beat you? Just say who beat you on the camera.
I was on late.
Did I beat you?
You beat me on late.
Nigga, I'm the man.
I was on late.
I'm the man. You the man right now because I ain't on no bike. But you know who the man is, nigga. Nigga. You know who the man is, nigga. Did I beat you? Did I beat you? You say that. Did I beat you? I give you that. What's that?
The man right there, man.
Did I beat you?
Put it on there.
Yeah.
The man right here, man. The man right here. Hold on.
I give you that.
Look, I was videoing myself. I
give you that. I just gave you
put that
credit.
mystical on.
You called out me, goddamn it, in front of all these people. Didn't I whoop your ass already?
The way I'm feeling.
Who got a fast bike? Wait, I fuck you up on Wadey
The way I'm
bike.
feeling right now, I'm feeling like giving away special.
I'll fuck you up on Wadey bike.
Giving away special.
I'll fuck you up on
I race Ponto if you give me 10. I raised Ponto if you give me 10.
Now you need 10.
That motherfucker leaving too, boss man. I told you, it's leaving.
I might fuck him up on Boston.
I'm gonna tell you what I do. I'm gonna tell you what I do and what I did, cause I done it.
You the man that need that. I tell everybody you the fastest nigga in Texas besides Ponto.
I want you to get on one of them bikes.
Why you? Cause I beat you, right?
Yeah,
So
you beat me on the I beat you. You ain't beat that one. Let me take the bags off so you can hold it.
I'm gonna wear this motherfucker out too, nigga.
Come on, look for that nitrous that I got.
I ain't worried about no nitrous on that. No fucking
look, man, I weigh just as much as your bike. My bike weighs just as much.
I'm the fastest nigga in Texas.
Let me show you on my bottle. My bottle in my backpack, man. My bottle in my backpack.
Look, you got some power.
Yeah, come on, man. Get on that bike.
Fuck you up right now?
Yes.
Get on. Come on. Stay ready. Get on.
Whatever bike you want to ride.
Come on, let me ride. Let me see. Come on. Let me.
What bike you want to ride?
Don't worry about it. Just come on.
All right, let me cool down for a second.
Okay, talk to me, nigga.
Now we need to cool off.
Talk to me nice.
Okay,
Now we need to cool
Talk
off.
to me nice.
You know what? I got a good job right now. We can
Talk to me nice.
We can break this bitch. Come on, let's do it.
He said, I got a good job right now. Fucking die.
Sit on something, please. Somebody come out there, escort us, drop their hands for 3 seconds, and race will be over.
Give him the go, Jackson.
I will. I'll give him that too.
You got to go. Oh.
Yeah.
You give him the go?
I give you the go. I give you the go.
That's funny.
Give you the go, you better get right. You better get right. He gonna will it. He willing every time.
He gonna win it because he gonna try to catch up with you.
Hey, man.
Focus. Just focus. Hey,
Left.
don't give it at all. Just go.
Hey, focus, because now you're gonna be on the first plane back to Cali.
Yeah.
Kelly bike. Everything right here.
Hey, what's up, little buddy?
What's up, man?
How you doing,
How you doing? Good seeing you, man.
Yeah,
For sure. You got that bike out here?
Nah,
you ain't got that bike out here? Oh, okay, all right. I was just making sure, you know, we got outer space out here today. Okay, all right. I ain't gonna worry about it, man.
keep popping out, you'll see it.
For sure. Say less.
Boss.
Hey, it's all up.
I'm gonna slow-mo this motherfucker.
Yeah, you might want to put 2 cameras on. Here we go.
That look like right lane.
Right lane.
It look like right lane.
But they left it? Right lane?
It's like right lane for sure.
Right lane.
That was some road glide lights on that thing, man.
Right lane.
Look, he about to talk shit.
Oh, he about to get right.
He about to talk shit. Nah, that was right lane. Right lane got that. Right lane got that.
Look, let me tell you like this, hold on. This a message for all you niggas out there, nigga. This a message for all you niggas. Nigga, I'm good on any bike, nigga. I ride any bike good. That's why I'm the best on this motherfucking Harley, nigga. I fuck shit up, nigga. I ain't never raced on this nigga bike a day in my life, nigga. I fuck shit up.
Hey, look, come on, I'm gonna stop. Leo. Come on, look. Get back on. Get back on. Come on, I'm gonna stop.
It's only one of me, nigga.
I'm gonna run you through.
It's only one of me, nigga.
You too hype. Come on. Man, listen.
He said you one and done. He said one and done out here.
That nigga was like, it was like this. And I got off the gas. He my friend.
He my friend.
You know this nigga gonna talk
It's no accomplishment.
He thought he had me, but I hit that bitch and another girl, that bitch shit like this. Did he get the arm? Did he get the arm? Did he get the arm? Y'all got me on camera with the arm, right?
You gonna hear this shit for
Everybody get the arm, nigga. Everybody get the arm.
YouTube Nation, he been on a drought. This was over. This was over.
That's why Leo don't want to race me.
I'm
the biggest wolf.
No. we not even gonna disrespect California, nigga. He in
Fuck
Houston.
all that,
He is.
I'm the
letting him
man
get
in
his
California.
First, his
feelings
been hurt
now I'm the man in Houston.
His feelings been hurt.
Now I'm the nigga in Houston. They feelings hurt. My feelings ain't hurt. That's why they didn't want to race me. I'm a bad motherfucker.
You want me to be serious and racist?
So that's what your excuse was? You wasn't serious? I beat you already, so why you wasn't serious right now?
No, listen, man.
I'm the baddest nigga in here.
Be honest. That was a school bus in front of you.
Pick a bike, I picked one.
And I got off the
And I never rode on that bike a day in my life. You want me to pick another bike?
Yeah, get back on this one. If that's what, pick another.
Hey, I'm fucking dying.
Man, A2. I'm telling you, I wouldn't even.
It's all good.
I'm respectfully.
It's all good. It's all good.
I'm playing with it.
Stop playing the race.
If you ride, I'll be serious. Come on.
I'll be serious.
Like,
Come on.
I want to give you some gas. You smoke gas, I was just giving it to you. Come on, man. Okay.
Let me see that real king.
Get it.
Let it cool down.
Okay,
Let it gotta cool down.
Say let it cool down. Let it cool down. I promise. Stop it.
Jack gonna get fucked by
How big his head is. I forgot. I shouldn't have let him win. That's the wrong guy.
I shouldn't have let him win.
That's the wrong guy. I didn't do it on purpose. I'm sorry, Facebook, YouTubers, and followers, and haters, and all the rest of y'all. I'm sorry I let you down. Be mad at me. Be mad at radio. Radio was showing up. Radio wrong. Radio bad. Who is radio? Me. I apologize, fans. I let you down. But Lefty was losing. He was going right. So I had to give it back to him. I gave Lefty back himself. I gave him back. He bet. See, when Sideways started hanging with Lynn, he got slow. Lefty been hanging with Lynn, he got slow. That's a bad habit. Lynn build race cars, not bikes.
So you saying Lynn slow or what you saying?
Lynn don't build fast bikes. I'm inspired Lynn to go build a big bike. So he
got slow.
Nigga gonna watch this, he gonna go build a bike, he gonna kick our ass. Just cause we say that on the YouTube. Hey, Lefty, I'm gonna let you get high a little bit, cause right now you on. Make a FaceTime. FaceTime some more. Wait till he go YouTube. Listen, Black Bike Set gonna repost it. All his friends, he gonna be excited.
Well, you shouldn't have been playing with
I was playing.
I don't understand why you.
Well,
Why you playing?
listen, bro, the gal was so big. I don't want to disrespect the man that bad. Disrespect everybody come to your city.
Okay.
Shit, fuck them niggas. Nah, fuck them niggas.
There you go.
Fuck them niggas. When you come to Houston, fuck everybody.
Where your bike at, man?
My bike in the shower. I got hit. I got hit. But I'm
Okay, I'm just making sure. I'm just making sure. I'm like, where your bike at?
I'm gonna show you.
You talking about where the bike
All
at?
you niggas
Where the
keep
bike at?
saying, I don't even ride no bike every day. Like, I don't be practicing.
You wanna get back on the
Guess
bike?
what? Y'all niggas be practicing. I'm still the motherfucking man. I'll whoop you niggas from motherfucking Houston to LA, nigga. Y'all know what's up. And all them Wolfpack niggas know what's up with me, too.
Are you stepping like that, huh?
Stepping like that.
Hey, Colin out stepping to the front.
Like this, nigga, look.
Big stepping.
Colin out stepping to the
The big wolf, nigga. The big wolf, nigga.
Talk your
Hey,
shit,
wait. You got 5 more minutes to stop sweating.
Don't worry about that, nigga. I just waxed you. I'm 2 up on you.
Okay, so
You race me when I feel like it. You race me when I feel like it now, nigga. You race me when I feel like it, nigga.
I'm still-
Right now, I don't feel like it.
I'm still good. I'm still better than you. Huh?
That's it.
Lefty. I had to let Lefty get his followers back up. He get ready to start a YouTube. He told me, text me. He text me and I poke him back. I poke him on Facebook. He feel good. He feel good. Him feel good.
Yeah, I see it, man. We out
I
here.
promise. He gonna run away. Nah, it's just
Hey, man.
Boss man. Boss man. Huh? Wait, where did Boss man go? Where Boss man went? Hey, www.stfumotorcycles.com. That's what they on right now. They ordering parts. I got you, Boss man. You can't win, Rocky. Nah, nigga, you ain't got no 14. Come on, man. You let Lefty talk shit like that to me. He's supposed to be my friend.
Hey, what you call it? Hey, hey, did he call